Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart for a third time at Boris Elementary School in Fresno, California. And it was a beautiful day. Weather's pretty hot outside, but just a lot of passion too in our hearts. And so the main focus was on leadership for this time around, turning our passion, the things that we're great at, the things that we love doing, into our purpose, right? Into our life's calling, and already starting to get the wheels turning even at a young age about what really matters. And so the one question that we started with the assembly was from Dr. King. Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. had said, life's most important question is, what are we doing for others, right? What more can we be giving? And so we started brainstorming and showing different examples of people that have made it their mission to put people first and things second. And from that angle, when we start to do that, not only are we rewarded and fulfilled by that feeling in our hearts. A lot of students came up to me, said that I really touched their heart and really opened their hearts to understand, what love is and really what peace is, and that they want to start doing that too. And it was just such a cool testament, really understanding that even at a young age, we can start making a big difference. Like the story of the starfish, the girl throwing them back in the ocean one at a time. Every one she did to save its life made a difference just to that one. And yes, it was a small act, but it made a huge difference. And so here at Boris, their bold acronym, right? Believe in good character, organized, prepared, leading the way, determined to do our best. Leading the way is what so many of these students here are already doing. And I'm so energized and inspired and just really strengthened from seeing these students take initiative. I had, when I first pulled up today, at least 6 or 7 students, hey, Mr. Peace, can we come help you with your stuff? And they dragged all this heavy equipment and what I needed all the way to the cafeteria where I did the programs. And more people stepping up like that, more people giving it their all. It's just super, it just warms my heart to know that we have these youth that are already on fire at a young age to really make a difference and want to already start thinking about their legacy, what they want to be remembered for, to be the leaders that they are capable of being, and to know that they're going to do the right thing even when no one's watching, that they're going to be like the bowling ball we talked about, strong character on the outside, not the balloon that's just going to go with the masses and go with the flow, but really stand for something, right? And not fall for anything, but really have those principles and that strong foundation. And so, again, just a great day of hearing some of their stories and staying for the lunches and seeing the staff again. And it's an awesome thing happening here at this school. The leadership is just outstanding. It's people that really get this concept too, that we're all miracles, the M etched in all of our palms, lines of our hand, M for miracle, W for worthy, that we remember that in ourselves, and then we go out and we share that. Like the shirt here, the heart concept with the design, we start to really believe in ourselves, and then we go and lead the way as they're doing here at Boris. So how are you leading the way? Comment below in this video. And again, as always, make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell that's going to pop up here to stay up to date on anything happening with me and my journey across this country. See some other great videos on the playlist here. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the website to learn more. Until next time, much love, peace.